Hello, it's Lawrence of Hydroworks. Here I am at a block of flats in Worthing. I originally came out to this site about a year and a half ago. The management committee had a business out, and that business had condemned the water softener. They told the company that the valve, the very expensive bit on the top, had all but corroded, and it would be cheaper to replace the softener than to order the spares and the replacements. We do quite a lot of work for another business, and that company asked us to come and give them a second opinion and the client a second opinion. And this is what we found. The only thing wrong with the softener was chlorine contamination. And chlorine contamination is basically where the resin turns from a very hard marble to jelly, and that can cause a reduction in flow rate, or it can cause a breakthrough of resin into the property, but it will also stop the water softener from producing softened water. Other than that, nothing else was wrong. So we serviced it, replaced the resin, put it back into service, and a year and a half later it continues to give beautifully softened water at a cost about a quarter of what the company were going to be paying had they been asked to replace it. So a real win for us, a real win for the customer, a real win for the contractor that we were working for, and it really does just go to show, if you look after these machines well, and Hydroworks will look after your machines well, but if you look after them well, they'll go on and they'll go on and they'll go on, and they'll give you an excellent length of life.